Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. What is the use of these three granthis? Very important. This is where human consciousness, you see lower chakras. What are the lower chakras we have? Muladhara, Swadhisthana and Manipura. And what is the use of this? If you learn Muladhara, specifically we have given material aspect means money issues, fear, survival. When you come to the Swadhisthana, hidden relationship, sexual related, and your, Manipura, food center. Food means not only physical food, attention that we take from different senses. And these chakras, you know that everybody is open. Yes or no? Everybody want a food, everybody want a money, everybody want all of them. So these three chakras are open for all of us. So we are stuck in this consciousness. To break this granthi means I enter from here to here. That is where the compassion, love, selfless service, blessing, giving, it will come. So every granthi represent one state of consciousness. So granthi bedana. The moment I cross this granthi means I cross the samsara. You see that? Cross the samsara. So like this, every deity is very important in Srividya. They have a particular task to do. So human, divine, universal. Got this point? From human to divine means there is a compassion, love. Divine means from human you become a deva. Deva you become a siddha, or that oneness with a cosmic consciousness, oneness with a universal consciousness. So our 7 chakras help you to know who you are, where you need to go. These 3 granthis help you to understand what is the importance of their granthis, esoteric meaning, the quality, consciousness, tattva, so that I can penetrate that consciousness, go to the next step of my evolution, ascension. Okay? So Srividya is the path where so perfectly designed, where you go from Mooladhara to Sahasrara. Many people just work with the chakras, but they don't know what about the granthis. Why there is a psychic knot, is that bundle of psychic knot, what is the importance of that, what consciousness it will hold. They are like a dams, you see a water dam, the energy is hold until here. If I want to break this, then only I can go to the, if I break this, then only I can go to. So the Varahi is the one where this granthi, what is the name of this granthi? We call it as a Rudra. This one Vishnu. This one Brahma. So Brahma Granthi, Rudra Granthi and Vishnu Granthi. So Brahma Granthi is the one Durga. So that's what we do, Durga Saptashati. Do you remember? Durga Saptashati. And then we go for Shamala or Rajamatangi. Then we go for Varahi. But when we do this level 1, 2, 3, where you don't worship Varahi, where you don't worship Rajashamala, where you don't worship Ganesha, but level 1, 2, 3 automatically help me to cleanse all the things, because it has a 9 Shaktis, 9 powers. Those 9 powers are connected to all the layers of our consciousness, from going from Mooladhara to Sahasrara. And it will help us to cleanse our horoscope, it will help us to cleanse the Navagrahas, it will help us to cleanse the Panchamahabhutas, it will help us to cleanse the Granthis. And again, if there are some issues is there, then Panchadashi Mantra, where the every Kuta means peak energy penetrate the my Granthis. Even Panchadashi Mantra itself has a Varahi and Rajamatangi and Kameshwari. Vagbhava Kuta, Kama Kuta and Shakti Kuta. So again, the Panchadashi represent Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. Or Surya Mandala, Chandra Mandala, Agni Mandala. Shivoham, Shivoham,